Hello friends, welcome to my channel NetGate Physics. Today I discuss a problem that is asked in GATE 2014. This problem is based on the degeneration of the state of a system. So let's start. Here the question is, a particle of mass m is subjected to a potential Vxy equals to half m omega square x square plus y square. Here the x can take value from minus infinity to infinity, and also y can take value from minus infinity to infinity. And the energy of the state is given, that is 4 h cut omega, and the state is g-fold degenerate. Now find the value of g. So let's solve this problem. So at first we should know what is the meaning of degeneracy and degenerate state. Degenerate state is nothing but the number of state having same energy is called the degenerate state. Let you have a system having two states, psi 1 and psi 2, and both have energy E. So you can say the system psi is two-fold degenerate. Okay. And again let you have a system having 5 states, psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4 and psi 5. And psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 have energy E1, and psi 4 having energy E2, and psi 5 have energy E3. So you can say the system is three-fold degenerate because the psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 has same energy E1. Okay, so this is the meaning of degeneracy and degenerate state. Now in this problem the potential is given, that is Vxy equals to half m omega square x square plus y square. If you look this potential carefully, you can see that it is nothing but the 2D harmonic oscillator. For 1D harmonic oscillator, we know Vx equals to half m omega square x square, and if we plot this, we get a curve something like that. Okay, so it is for 1D harmonic oscillator, but in this problem the potential is 2D harmonic oscillator potential. So the energy will be En equals to nx plus half h cut omega plus ny plus half h cut omega. So we can write nx plus ny, half plus half means 1 h cut omega. Now in this problem the energy of this state is given, that is 4 h cut omega. This is the energy of this system. So we can write this energy equals to 4 h cut omega. So nx plus ny plus 1 h cut omega equals to 4 h cut omega. H cut omega cancel out. So we get nx plus ny plus 1 equals to 4. That means nx plus ny equals to 3. So we get a relation between nx and ny. Now we find the number of ways we get nx plus ny equals to 3, and this number of way is degeneracy. Okay, so nx, ny and nx plus ny. If an nx and ny can take value 0, 1, 2 and so on. So if nx equals to 0 and ny equals to 3, we get nx plus ny equals to 3. Again ny equals to 0 and nx equals to 3, nx equals to 3 and ny equals to 0, we get 3, and nx equals to 1, ny equals to 2, again we get 3. Similarly, nx equals to 2 and ny equals to 1, we get 3. In each cases, the energy is 4h cut omega. So, we can say our system is 4-fold degenerate. So, the answer is G equals to 4. So, here the value of G is 4. Thank you for watching this video, and if you understand it properly, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.